class 10 chapter 1 real numbers. As every year we are discussing that chapter 1 is very important, because from this chapter most of the question like 1 mark question, 2 mark questions, 3 mark question as well as 4 mark questions asked from this chapter only. Means it covers almost all kind of questions. Here some question that we will start again. In between I will tell you for how many marks and for whom, means for standard or for basic, to whom this kind of question could be asked. Here is one question from our exercise, that question 1, use Euclid's division algorithm to find HCF. Means here we have to find HCF. Earlier, if two numbers were given to find HCF, what we were doing, so we were doing simple that method which we did in 5th standard, but here we learn about Euclid's division algorithm. So now we will find that by comparing these two numbers, that here we will compare that 225 is greater than 135. Here we are deciding that 225 will be inside and we have to divide it by 135. Means the larger number will be inside and the smaller number will be outside. Now here the first step is, we not have to take the exact value. If we are not getting exact value, we have to take nearby values. So in the table of 135 we will check that when 225 will come. So here we are checking, it is 135, and if we are checking, if we are multiplying it with 2, so what we are getting, 5 2s are 10, 3 2s are 6 and 7, and 2 1s are 2. So here is 270 and here is 225. Number increase a lot, so we cannot multiply 135 with 2. So what we will do, we will simply do 135 ones are 135, but how to write and what to write, that you have to see. Now we will do subtraction. Here we are getting 5 minus 5 0, and here we will take borrow and see the process. It will 1 and it will become 12. Here will be 12 minus 3, so it will become 9. Here we got another number. Now the process is that here whatever number is there we have to take inside. So here we will take 135 inside. Now we will again check in the table of a 90 when 135 will come or nearby 135 value is coming. 90 ones are 90 and we will check that 92s are what will be there. So it will be 180. So here again we can see that if we are multiplying with 2, number will increase. We want 135 and that number is only 180. So it is increasing. So again we will do 90 ones are 90. It should not be increased value. Here we are subtracting 13 minus 9. So when we are calculating, it will become 445. Here again what we have to do, we will do this and we will take that number whatever is here inside here. So it is becoming 90. In the table of 45 when 90 will come, let us check. 45 ones are 45. Let us check 45 twos are. 5 twos are 10, 4 twos are 8 and 9 plus 1. So here we are getting 45 twos are 90. So we are writing that. When we are subtracting it, here we are getting 0. As I told you, we have to do this process till our remainder is not coming 0. So here this process ends and here we got some value, and this value is called HCF of these two numbers, means 225 and 135. So this is the process which is one kind of rough work. This is not fair work because this whole thing you have to write in the form of Euclid division algorithm. So now I am showing you how to write this process in algorithm. So here in a fair work, you have to write whatever is inside, means 225. So you will start from here, you will write 225, and that will be equals to what? So 135 into 1. So we will write 135 into 1, and here whatever remainder remain, that is 90, so that we are adding, so we will write plus 90 over here. This is the first step, which is in the form of A is equals to BQ plus R. So now again whatever is inside, means 135 is inside, so we will write here 135, and that will be equals to, so it will be equals to what? So 90 into 1, and here 45 is remaining, so here we are writing 90 into 1, and our remainder that remain was 45, so here we will write plus 45. Again whatever is inside, that is 90, so we are writing 90 over here, and that will be equals to what? So 45 into 2, so we will write 45 into 2, and what is remaining there? So 0 is remaining, so we will write 0 over here, and when 0 comes, this process and now it is in the form of algorithm, and here you have to write whatever is remain over here, you have to write HCF of 225 comma 135 is 45. So board is asking this question for 2 marks or 3 marks, that is depend on a question how complicated is. Now here you can see for basic means the student who have taken basic maths, for them this question is very important because it is very easy. Now for standard students, means student who have taken standard maths, the question will be changed, means it could be little bit complicated, but the formula and the format will be same. That first you have to divide. This work will be always in a rough. They are not asking you to do this work, they are asking you to write it in the form of Euclid division algorithm. Means this work is very important, but to do these works and to make it simple, we are doing this method. If we did this method, we can correct it, we can check it, we can see our mistakes also. Some students directly do this, but if you are doing any little bit mistake, you cannot overcome of it. So if you are doing this, you can check both of this and you can solve it in easy way.